so we have Fairyloot parcel over here, which I'm going to unbox. Let's open it up. Okay, this is the inside of the box. Remove the bit. So this is the combination of adult book and the young adult book. So first we have this. So let's open this. Okay, so wow, okay, so this is pink. It looks peachy on camera, but it's actually pink. And I love the little grey bits. Okay, this is the theme, or sorry, this is the artwork. Down. Oh my gosh, okay, what the river knows. Okay, I've seen this, literally, I've seen this book everywhere. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Look at the sides over here. That's the bottom. Wow, okay, it's so pretty. This is the end papers. Wow, gold foiling. Back. Okay, I just saw the river start checking. It's amazing. I just realised there's a girl here, and that's all her hair. Wow. Okay, that's interesting. And this is the back. This is such a beautiful book. Wow, stunning. And then we have inside artwork. Wow. And this is the blurb. Anyone wants to read it? I'm not going to read it. That's that. And this is a book only adult young. This is a young adult book. Oh my gosh. Wow, okay. I thought this was the adult book. What the River Knows by Isabel Ibanez. It's an immersive historical fantasy set in Egypt and filled with adventure, a roused to lovers' romance, and a dangerous race. Awesome. Yeah, so that's the book. Oh, is it signed? Let's check if it's signed. It's a digital signature, digitally signed. I'm happy with that. Yeah, very good.